What's going on, everybody? So for today's video, I'm gonna go ahead and break down the top 3 meditation beginner tips that will help you out to get way better, way faster, and to make it a much smoother process. Okay, so for number 1, first tip I'm gonna give you is do not try and overdo the time that you're meditating. Okay, a lot of people think that, okay, I'm just gonna dive right in, I'm gonna do it for like 15-20 minutes, half an hour, and it shouldn't be too hard. But you want to focus on actually just doing it for a short enough period of time where you're doing it right, over just trying to do it for a long time and then it just being horrible. So even if you have to start with 2 minutes, even 2 minutes at least, try and do that. That's the best way to start, because if you can handle 2 minutes correctly, then you'll gradually move up to 5, then 10, then 15, and then when you get to the 30 minutes in an hour, it'll be like way easier than if you try and start all the way up at that high level. Okay, so that's rule number 1. Number 2 is, while you're meditating, you want to try and not control your thoughts. A lot of people think meditation is just like sitting there and not thinking at all. You're just completely blank and you have nothing coming in your head. That's not exactly how it works. So in the beginning, you're going to have thoughts. I guarantee it. All right, it's going to be coming in and out. And the biggest thing you're going to try and do is be aware of your thoughts. The whole point of meditation is building awareness. And awareness is the thing that's going to help you watch your thoughts and understand where they're coming from, why you have those thoughts, and what they mean. You're not going to be able to control it right away. You just have to be able to have the ability to watch it happen, and to then be okay with the thoughts that you're having. All right, so that's rule number 2. And number 3, of course, you're gonna have to know that you're in the right environment while you're meditating. Okay, you need to be in a nice, calm place where there's not too many distractions. There's not kids running around, you're not in a playground, you're not in an amusement park. You got to be in a place where you can relax, have some time away to yourself, and actually just be there with your thoughts. All right, so those are the top 3 biggest tips that you can take away. Guarantee if you put those into your meditation practice, it'll help out a lot. But I also have one more bonus tip that could really help out too, that not too many people know about. So for this last tip, if you feel like you can never actually focus while you're meditating and your mind's going crazy, it's not listening at all, the last thing you could do is you could also just grab a watch. Go ahead and grab a watch like this, and then what you're gonna want to do is you're gonna want to watch the time, the clock actually just move. Watch the hands moving. All right, if you keep yourself distracted by just watching the clock move, it will give your mind something to focus on that's easy enough. It's not distracting, but it will be able to focus your mind on one thing, so that you're not consistently thinking about other nonsense. You'll be looking at that, and then your thoughts will kind of simmer down a little bit. All right, so those are the best tips I can come up with. Go ahead, like, comment, subscribe on anything you think about this. Put these into your meditation practice. They'll really help out. Take care.